Alright, we just installed the Icon lift, and I left the skid plate off for about 2 weeks. So now I can't get it back on because I think the frame, body, something shifted, and now the 3/16 still skid plate won't fit. It's too long. So I'm gonna have to bend it, but it has spring back, so I can't bend it. It's like a huge spring with my, if I try to bend it with my hands. So I'm gonna use my winch. Here's the plan. I'm gonna hook it to this Honda with a snatch block, and then we're gonna pull the skid plate forward to make it fit. Alright, we'll see how it works. Alright, here's the rigging. And it goes back to under here. Next to the skid plate. And then I'm trying to pull that forward so I get the holes, bolts in those holes over here. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, here's the rigging again. And check it out. Skid plates on. Got the bolts in. Right there. And the other side. Ready to go off-road again. I got my full protection back.